Hello guys, welcome back to Gadget Stripe. I am Chapman and this is the unboxing video of Gionee's latest device, Gionee S11 Lite. Don't forget guys, after watching this video, click the thumbs up button, drop a comment, share the video to your friends, and lastly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification so you don't miss any of my next updates. So guys, let's get started. I will be tearing off the seal on this box. I kinda love the design of this box. It is different from the normal Gionee box we do see. So let's go. The first thing we are welcomed with is the Gionee S11 Lite itself, and as said by Gionee, this device has a 4-sided curved edges and a 3D dynamic crystal clear body design. It is so lovely, and I love the fact that it is reflecting. Come on guys, this is so cool. So, going more into the box, we have the manual, the warranty card, and the transparent back cover for the crystal clear casing on the Gionee S11 Lite. We also have the USB cable, the wall socket adapter, the earphone, and lastly, I am seeing our SIM and SD card ejector tool. So, that is all we've got in the Gionee S11 Lite box. Let me give you guys some quick rundown specification about the Gionee S11 Lite. It comes with a 4GB of RAM, a 32GB internal storage, and support SD card up to 256GB. It runs on Android 7.1 Nougat. It has a 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. So for you guys, I can't imagine the seamless speed on this device. And before I forget guys, it comes with a 16MP front camera and the dual rear cameras of 13MP and 2MP. The screen size is 5.7 HD IPS full view display and a 2970 mAh battery. The capacity of this battery seems more to me, especially with this huge screen. Anyways guys, don't worry, I will be testing out all of these features and I'll be giving my full review soon. Meanwhile, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video to your friends, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.